Hi guys, I'm Dr. Brad Moreau, and today we're going to be talking about forward head syndrome, or basically forward head carriage. It's that postural thing in which you see people sitting or like this, or they have their slumped shoulders and they're forward. And we know it's not good posture, but why? What does it do? Well, I generally refer down to this poster that we have in our office. Let's take a look at it over here, and we can see the forward head carriage and all the different pressure points that it can create, not only in the musculoskeletal system causing jaw issues, neck issues, but also affecting the nervous system. And we look at what happens here, all these different common symptoms from arthritis to muscle strain, spasm, nerve, disc damage, carpal tunnel, thoracic outlet, TMJ, tons of stuff. And the most important thing is how the forward head carriage ultimately affects the overall posture. And what we see here is forward head syndrome can actually be the cause of most people's lower back. So a lot of times, at least 40% of the time, when someone comes in with lower back, their neck is actually the main cause of the lower back, which is, I know, surprising, even when they don't have any pain in the neck. So that's how important the position and the posture of the neck really is. But you need to figure out what is causing it. Is it caused from just repetitive use, or is it caused from trauma? Most of the time, we're dealing with things that have come from ligament and muscle damage as a result of trauma. Not trauma in the sense that you had to go to the hospital for. Trauma in the sense that you had falls, you've had strains and muscle strains to the shoulder and neck, falling off a bicycle, taking a bad fall off of a ski or a snowboard, bad crashes, riding your bike. All those things kind of started that process, and then it's just continued to progress over time, and finding needs now to be able to address it. That's a possibility, but more often than not, that is the case. If you know this, or you see someone who has it, it is a big problem, and it is a generator of a lot of people's pain. Hopefully this elucidates a little bit more as to why it's so important to make sure that you're addressing forward head carriage in you or in a friend or a loved one.